The monopolization of the majority of the market is one of the main reasons for high consumer prices in Azerbaijan, claimed the head of the Union of the Consumers of Azerbaijan, Eyüp Hüseyinov, during today's roundtable on the result of the project improving the collective responsibility of consumers to lower inflation. The project was launched in April and ran until October 2011 with financial support from the Eurasia Fund. The project monitored the market and consumer surveys and implemented education activities directed at government proposals. According to Huseinov, the study confirmed the weakness of state policy on consumer protection. Consumer prices are artificially inflated. A striking illustration of this is that during the international financial crisis in 2008, prices fell sharply around the world, while in Azerbaijan they remained stable. Referring to illegal fees from businesses, Huseinov said that entrepreneurs have two options: to fight for their rights or to pay bribes. They choose the second way because it is more comfortable, but it leads to higher commodity prices. As a result, the consumer loses out, Huseinov said. Therefore, the consumers themselves must be active and demand their rights. Huseinov also raised the lack of rapid response mechanism on the part of state bodies with regard to the import of substandard goods. It was found that the price of goods prior to being imported into Azerbaijan is 6-7 lower than when they are placed on the local market. The monitoring showed significant increase in the unreasonably high pricing of several consumer goods from April to October, including meat, fish, sunflower oil, and locally produced tea. The State Customs Committee, the Ministry of Economic Development, and other organizations have not sought to clarify these issues.